Hello, my name is Molly, and I'm here today to help you put together the pinwheels for the Making Strides Against Breast Cancer event. Very simple to do, so let's get to it. So, all you'll need is 4 pieces that are included in your box. First, you will need one of these sheets. This will be the kind of the wheel of the pinwheel. You will need a stick. You will need one of these small circle pieces. And you will need this as well too. So all you will do is take, sorry about the noise outside if you can hear it, they're redoing the brickwork on my neighbor's house. So what you will do is first of all punch out the small holes here. Like so. There's one on every single little flap here. Okay, good to go. So then it will look like this. So what you are going to do, and there's one also in the center, don't forget about that one. So it'll look like this. Now what you will do is you will take each of those small flaps that have the holes and fold it towards the center. Like this. So it will go over the center hole and line up. So you're going to do that for each of the 4 holes on the wings, as I call them, of the pinwheel. So it will look like this. All you're doing is just folding them down to go over the center. Now you're going to take this piece, notice how they are attached, and go ahead and twist them apart from each other. So you will see 2 small pieces. Now what you are going to do is line up the holes with the small end here. On all 4. So here we are. I know you can't really see, so go ahead and do that. Just like so, and secure it, push it through the back side of it here. Sorry, it's easier if I put it down on my tabletop. Okay, so you can kind of see it's pushing through here. Now go ahead and take the small ring. It almost looks like a little lifesaver. And you're going to push it in here, push it all the way in. So that is what the back will look like. And here's your front. Next, you are going to take, so put that aside for 1 second. You're going to take your stick and your other piece here. So what you're going to do is simply, it almost looks like a little hammer. So you're going to put the top and connect it to the base here. It'll look like this. Now this small piece here, you're going to attach to the back side, like this, of the pinwheel. And make sure you push it in. And there you go. You have a pinwheel. Look at that.